Hello and welcome back to the final day of the meditation challenge. This is day 10 and I've got Oscar with me sitting here. He didn't want to miss out on day 10, he's decided to come back for this one. But this has been the 10-day HealthBuddy meditation challenge. I've been your host Mark Slight throughout the 10 days and my aim has been to ease you into meditation if this is your first time experiencing it, and just trying to show you how simple and how easy meditation can be. And by that I mean that you don't need anything fancy to do it. You just need a room, a bit of peace and quiet, and with a few good practices which we've started to develop here in this first 10 days, you can find meditation quite easy and quite beneficial to you as well. Now with that, I feel I need to explain the word challenge, because we've talked a lot about not achieving anything, we've talked a lot about no judgment and not trying to set targets for ourselves, and just learning to be and understand our thoughts and just being aware of our thoughts and our breath and our body. Yet the word challenge can mean that we're trying to find an end goal. But really my thoughts with the word challenge was just to challenge you to practice meditation for 10 days in a row, because as with all practices, it can be very easy to practice once. Oh, hello mate. It can be very easy to practice once and then think, yeah, did I like that? Didn't I like that? And you don't really get a full grasp on the subject matter until you have that consistency for a certain amount of days. And 10 days seems to work pretty well. You get an idea of what meditation is like. I certainly hope you start to feel the benefit. And my biggest hope, I suppose, is that you start to feel a sense of calm, and that you start to be aware of yourself, and you can start to connect with yourself quite deeply, even though it's only been 10 days. The foundations are in place that will allow you to really start to connect with your soul if you choose to push that far. If you don't, then it's just a great way to sit for 10 minutes and release the stresses of the day. And we could all do with that, no matter how stressful our life is. It can be great just before bed maybe, or just at the end of a day, to just come in, spend 10 minutes meditating and just allow them pressures of the day and the tension of the day to just ease out with each out breath that we take. So we've started a journey. Where you take it from here is entirely up to you. You can choose to carry on. If you do choose to carry on, I've got further meditations that you can join, live meditations as well. If you just choose to maybe follow this 10 days and just keep coming back to this 10 minutes a day, that's absolutely great. But you've started a journey now, which hopefully most of you will carry on. For today's meditation, I just want to bring you to a place that is my favourite place and will be your favourite place for every meditation. And we're just trying to find our own element of peace, our own peaceful garden, our peaceful zone, if you like, where we can just come into a room, we can focus on our breath, and we're just going to do that now. We're just going to start breathing in and out. Oh, Oscar's doing it as well. Just going to focus on our breath, breathing in and out through our nose, shutting our eyes, and just getting into that comfortable meditation position, not slouching, but sitting upright, but not rigid. We know the drill now. We know how to sit. It's however we wish to sit, just comfortably. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Yesterday in day 9, we practiced a little bit of a visualization technique where visualizing the breath coming in and out of the body. Visualization meditation is one of the most powerful forms of meditation, because you can really transport yourself to anywhere you want to be. Even when you've got a dog in front of you scratching and moving and fidgeting, you can transport your mind to wherever you want to be. And today I encourage everybody to transport themselves to their happy place. Because yes, we've worked on our breath, we've worked on box breathing, on relaxation techniques, and techniques we can use out in the real world. But if your day's been particularly stressful, if your emotions have been running high and you feel you haven't been able to handle your emotions and you just want to come and sit and take part in meditation, but you want to take yourself away from the world that's caused your tension and your stress today, you can come, sit in your room, sit in your meditation position, bring yourself to your breath and transport your mind to your happy place. Your happy place may be a beautiful garden with loved ones. It may be in the company of someone you may have lost previously. For me, it means going to the beach with my dog in the sunshine, and it's just my happy place. Just allow your mind to be creative and just distance yourself from the real world for a moment. Bring yourself to your happy place. As always, thoughts will come and go, but just when you feel that you're dwelling on a thought, or you notice the thought's there a little bit too long, just either bring yourself back to your breath or straight back to your happy place. Just allow yourself to sit. Of course, you can bring in any other of the techniques we've used, any other breathing techniques or the body scans. If you've had a particularly stressful day, you might find you fidget a lot, but just try and keep your mind in your happy place. And this is somewhere you can always come, where you can't be disturbed, where there's no tension, there's no stress, there's no fear, there's no anxiety, just you in your happy place. I'm incredibly grateful for you joining me for this 10 days. It's been a pleasure to guide you through the first steps of meditation. And remember, when you do come out of this meditation, remember the same practices. Slowly bring yourself back to the room. Don't jump up too quickly. Allow yourself to just sit in the meditation or in your comfortable place for as long as you need. But right now I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to leave you in your happy place for as long as you need to be. If you like any further help or any further meditations, just have a look in the comments below. There's many ways to reach me. But go now and enjoy your happy place. Namaste.